southeastern Sauk County in south central Wisconsin, western Dane County in south central Wisconsin, Iowa County in south central Wisconsin, Greene County in south central Wisconsin, eastern Lafayette County in south central Wisconsin.
I don't know why I always run to this one.
Extending from 9 miles southwest of Spring Green to 6 miles northeast of Darlington, to Winslow to Pearl City, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Madison, Fitchburg, Middleton, Waunakee, Monroe, Verona, Oregon, Mount Horneville, Dodgeville, Sauk City, Bronhead, Mineral Point, Darlington, Cross Plains, Belleville, New Glarus, Maizomanie, Spring Green and Shorewood Hills. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. You spot it, go at once into the basement, or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Monday evening for south central Wisconsin. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Monday evening for south central Wisconsin.